Shit, I'm stuck. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jakina if you're new. So today is September 19th and we're going hiking. A friend of mine and I are going hiking. Woke up this morning and it's really cold outside. It's raining. We didn't check the weather before making plans, but we're still going to go. So join us. Let's go hiking together. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video. Yeah, we'll see you on the hiking trail. I won't be recording on the way there because I'll be doing the driving, but I will see you guys when we get there. I just hope it stops raining, like around, because it says around 1 it's gonna stop raining. Right now it's 12. We're about to leave. I'm about to leave the house already. And yeah, I just made my smoothie this morning. About to, yeah, instead of smoothie I should have just went and got some hot chocolate because it's really cold outside. Winter is knocking at our door. Anyways, let's get going. You see? Shit, I'm stuck. I'm gonna slide down.
Go on that side.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Yo. I should have not come this side here. No. It's sliding, eh?
Wait.
It's so sliding, I'm not even.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Wait. I can't reach. Go on that. Yeah, go on the side.
Wait, can you get this?
Throw it out.
Stop me. You should have stopped me.
I told you.
I didn't know I was gonna be sticking like this. Oh, okay, I know it's okay. I'll go downward over there. Yes. Okay. Look at my face, my hand. I was too scared.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm not going to. I was watching on it. I'm like,
to play in the hood.
In the mud.
In the mud.
In your case, in the mud.
Okay, No.
Do it again. It moves? Please hold my camera.
You need to be small. Just place it on top. Good?
I did it. Enjoy the beautiful views. I'm all muddied up.
Yeah.
Hey!
Be careful. It's slippery, eh? Careful, oh. The water is cold.
Oh shit, this thing is cold.
You're tired? You see? This is what happened when you don't check the weather. We came to hike when it's raining. Yes.
Okay guys, we're back. Okay, we're at home now. Just got out of the shower because it's still very cold outside, and I'm in my room right now about to come watch some movie and make some dinner and eat. It is almost 5 o'clock right now. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned for more adventure with us. It's crazy now. It is 6:30 and the weather have changed. It's sunny, it's warmer outside. Where was the sun when we needed it? Anyways, so my friend that I was hiking with, her name is Miss Gloria. I'm gonna put her YouTube name below, so if you guys can go and subscribe to her YouTube channel, so you don't miss out any adventures that we're gonna be on together and stuff like that. Yeah, so